It's your boy, Big GQ, and we back with another Airbnb walkthrough / review. And this time, we in Barcelona, Spain. Our first time on a boathouse / yacht. It was an experience, man. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3 levels, 2 patios, a grill. It was a vibe, man. Yeah, man, it was real dope, man. Great location by a grocery store, several restaurants and shops, by jet skis, and our host Kingdom was very accommodating, man. You in Spain, I recommend you staying here. You know how I do. I keep it short, simple, sweet, get straight to the point. And oh yeah, follow me on IG at QWorld1000. Let's get into the video. Go. Off the boat dock, let's rock.
Let's get it.
We're going straight in to the right. Bow, bathroom number 1. Over here, bedroom number 1. To the left, master bedroom with a shower and bathroom inside. Let's keep it pushing. Main area, to the right, living room area. To the left, we got the kitchen. That's appliances up to date. Well, downstairs, bedroom number 3. They all had queen size beds. On the main level outside, we got a patio with a grill, table and chairs. Come outside, look at the ocean view. Beautiful. Let's go upstairs to the 3rd level.
Seen it all, pesos and pounds. I'm super lit, bitch, I'm it, but I'm not a clown. They got me feeling like
let's go upstairs to the top floor. Up here we got a dining table with chairs, a little bar to the left.
I got loose screws. I fucked her off 100 pack and some blue chews. Pocket full of francs, yeah, I got
ocean views, baby. To the right, the lounge area. Come up here, have some champagne, roll a cigar, take it all in. To the left, we got a little kiddie pool. Never got in, but you know, it's good for aesthetics. And oh yeah, the link for this Airbnb will be in the description.
I'm like, name how many trips that you took. I'm hearing all that money talk, but it don't faze me. If it can't even make its way to the book, I'm talking passport. Fly nigga, girl, just know you stamped if I fly with you. How I get you where you wanna go, I'ma slide with you. As far as these niggas go, ain't gotta say shit, no, they see it though. Amsterdam at 15, bitch, I been player. Ballin' overseas, but it don't end there. You know I got it. Haven't been to church in a while, but I know a profit. Hustling, get a hold of euros and I hold them hostage. Dad talk, can't go broke. I took the cast off. Lord knows I work my ass off.
Yes, sir. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time, we gone.